In order to remember the mechanical properties, okay, to remember all the mechanical properties, I made one trick. Okay, in the examinations they will might ask for the 6 marks, write the mechanical properties, explain the mechanical properties of the metals, all those things. Okay, they will ask in the examination. For that one, it is very difficult to remember all the 11 names, okay, 11 to 12 properties. It is very difficult to remember. So I made a small trick. Maybe it is funny. If it looks good, that's okay. What is that one? Say, what are those properties? I will write. Okay, that is first. That is strength, hardness, strength, hardness. That is elasticity. Next one is plasticity. Next one is creep, toughness, brittle, ductile. Next, apart from this one, anything is left? Strength, hardness, stiffness, elasticity, plasticity. That is malleability. That is fatigue. Okay, these are all properties you have to remember. Okay, in order to remember all these things, maybe one or two you'll miss. So what I done, I made a small trick. If it's okay, then let's go for this one. Otherwise, that's so. What is that formula? This is the trick I made. That is Captain Sachin Tendulkar. Captain Sachin Tendulkar hits 6 every player must break dance on floor. What is the statement I made? Captain Sachin Tendulkar hits. I have taken the first word. What I done? I have taken the first word of all the names. Okay, Captain Sachin Tendulkar hits 6 every player must break dance on floor. So what is the meaning of this one? Okay, I will write this one. C means what? That is creep. S means what? That is strength. T means what? That is toughness. H means what? Hardness. Okay, again S means stiffness. E means what? Elasticity. P means what? Plasticity. M means malleability. B means what? Brittle. D means ductility. F means fatigue. Okay, no need to remember all these things. Okay, only you have to remember one point here. Here creep means what word? What is the word you have to remember? That is time dependent. That's it. This is the only one word you have to remember. What you have to write? Creep means time dependent. What is strength? Capacity to resist the load. Okay, it is the capacity to resist the load. What is the toughness means? What you have to remember? If you bend, twist and stretch, it will not fail. That is called toughness. Hard means what you have to remember? That is wear, tear and penetration. Wear, tear and penetration. Okay, stiffness means that is strength. Okay, elasticity means regain its original shape after removal. No regain, you can say that is permanent deformation. Permanent deformation Malleability means you have to remember the one single word. Okay, that is malleability means you have to remember that is thin sheet. Good example is gold. Means next one is for brittle. What you have to remember? Brittle means that is sudden failure. Okay, brittle means sudden failure. This is the one thing you have to remember. Next one is for ductile. Okay, that is thin wire. Means before failure it will deform. Okay, it will come to thin. Fatigue means what you have to remember? Here you have to remember repeated loads. This is the way how you have to remember. Okay, what is the statement? I have taken first. This is the statement, you can write it. Captain Sachin Tendulkar hits 6. Every player must break downs on floor. Okay, so according to C means time dependent, strength, resist the load, tough bent, twist, stretch. Then also it will not fail. Then it's a tough material, hardness. It is a capacity for wear and tear, penetration. We'll check this one. Stiffness means okay. Say stiffer material. Say this. Okay, next one is stiff means you can increase stiffness can be increased by the increase in the size of this one materials. Okay, next one is elasticity means after removal of the load it will regain its original shape. That is elastic material. Plastic material means it will not regain to its original shape, means permanent deformation you can say. Malleability, before failure it will come to thin sheet. Brittle, sudden failure it will happens. Okay, ductility means before failure it will deform and it will come to thin wire, and again it definitely it will fail, or it come to thin, it cross section will be reduces. That is called ductile material. And fatigue means that is a repeated load. Okay, always try to remember the formulas or something. You make some tricks and according to that one you have to remember the formula. Okay, nearly 6 to 7 tricks have been made for strength of material formula. I request to watch those videos. Definitely that will helpful for your examination. Okay, the number of formulas will be more. So for that point of view, if you want to remember, we have to make some tricks. So if you like my video, please I request to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.